Okay, so in this video, we'll be solving the question number 1979, which is finding the greatest common divisor of array. It is marked easy, it is easy, and it is a very straightforward question. So let's first understand the question and then move to the approach. Okay, so we are given an integer array nums. We need to return the greatest common divisor. What is greatest common divisor? It is GCD or HCF, which is highest common factor. We need to return the greatest common divisor of smallest number and the largest number in nums. Okay, the greatest common divisor of two number largest positive, that is HCF. Okay, so what we are told is that we need to return GCD of smallest number in array, GCD of smallest number in array and largest number in array. So what we need to do is, it is pretty straightforward. Find the smallest number, find the largest number, return its GCD. Okay, so the main thing here is the finding the smallest and the largest number. So how we will do is, we can do it in two ways. One is by using for loops and two is by using sorting method. So let's take an example and understand. Suppose we are given this example to 7, 5, 6, 8, 3. We will traverse here. We will just first consider 7 as the smallest and the biggest possible. Then we can see 5. Oh, 5 is smaller than 7 and can be considered for the smallest possible. Now we have taken 6. It is neither the smallest nor the biggest. We have 8. Oh, it is greater than 7, which is the largest element now. And 3, that this is the smallest one. So we found out that smallest is 3, largest is 8. So what we'll do is consider max LE and min LE as nums of 0, and when we iterate we check if nums of I is greater than max LE. If yes, update max LE. Also, we also check that if nums of I less than min LE. If yes, update min LE to nums I. Okay, and then do GCD. Let's write it here. Int max LE equals to nums 0, int min LE equals to nums 0. Now what we will do is, we iterate and check if any of them is greater than max LE or smaller than min LE. If nums of I is greater than max LE, we update max LE to nums I. Okay. We also check if nums I less than min LE. We update min LE to nums I. And what we'll do is after this for loop, return the GCD of max LE min LE. Okay. This was a one approach. The second one will be by sorting. We'll take the same example 75683 75683. We'll sort it so it will become 3 5 6 7 8. Since it is sorted, the first element is the smallest, the last element is largest. But consider that sorting is O of n log n. And here this for loop is uh, this for loop is O of n. Okay. So sort nums dot begin return GCD of the smallest and the largest. It is a number presented there. Okay. Okay. So let's implement this. Yeah. What we will do is declare to nums num0. We'll do this faster now. This is a for each loop that we are doing over nums. So max LE equals to max of max LE and val is nothing but the number at that particular uh, index, and this will do. Now we will call the GCD function for max LE min LE. Let's check this. No test cases are passing. Yep, and we have written 100%. Now we will use one more method, which is of sorting. We'll sort the nums from beginning to end, and we will return the GCD of nums. Nums 0 will contain the smallest number, and the number at the back will be the largest. Okay, so why is it taking so much time? Okay, so hopefully you guys understood the question and the approach that we are used. And if you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions, do let me know. I'll paste this Excalibur draw link in the description as well, so that you can also check the flow chart of this particular question. Okay, yeah.